And in the previous example, we made a new calendar using cal.com. So I want to update it to use this one. So I'm going to copy the link. All right. And my goal is when you click on this contact thing, I want it to open the new cal.com. So kind of a arbitrary change just to show you how VS Code works. So now we're going to open up VS Code. And in Microsoft Word, you know how you open up a file? Here, since it's code, we're going to open up a folder of files. So it's very similar. So open folder, and I've got the files for my website here. I'm just going to open up the folder. So as you can see on the left here, I have a sort of file system, just like if I go to my code explorer, right? So all we're doing, this is one and the same. I just want to have sort of a command center to see the editor and see the explorer and just pick files easily and edit them. So now I'm going to close this. And you see we have a bunch of pages here, just like before, just a bunch of files that make up the website. So, which is just the thing that loads when you load the website. And I've got, it looks probably very similar to this because that's where it comes from. And I'm just going to look for the file. And I'm just going to look for the link. So here we have the fillout.com link. I'm just going to replace that link. And that's it, easy as pie. Now, one thing I want to say that's super important. If you go to File, I think it's really nice to click on this autosave thing. It's not on by default, but it saved me a ton. This is just autosave. So just like that, I've put in the cal.com link, and that is now in that file, index.html file, that's going to save to my website. So I'll show you in a later video how to load this to the website, but just to test it out, so if I go back to that folder, if I open up index, so now I'm opening up a local copy of this, right? If I go to contact button, now, as expected, it goes to the cal.com link, which is what we wanted. So in the next step, I'll show you how to get this local copy saved onto the real internet, right? So while we're here, since the point of this is just to show you VS Code, I'm just going to show you around a little bit.